Good morning, Thunder Bay. It is day 2 sitting at anchor, and I think we're going to have one more day after today. We are waiting to go in and load grain. It is a gorgeous morning, and one of my favorite things about coming to Thunder Bay is seeing the sleeping giant. And I have friends that live in Thunder Bay, so I'm hoping to get together with them. And it's just really nice to come up here, and there's always lots to see. And there is the sleeping giant. I think that's so cool. Over here are the other ships that are at anchor. It's a beautiful morning. Okay, it's a little chilly though.